Finding a gadget that actually works as promised can feel like striking gold in the kitchen. So here are 10 Amazon finds that truly deliver. The Mr. Coffee 4-in-1 coffee maker is all about versatility, letting you brew lattes, cappuccinos, iced and hot coffee with just a few clicks. The built-in frother adjusts perfectly to create either hot or cold foam, while the integrated measuring system ensures every cup is full of flavor. Designed with sustainability in mind, it even includes a reusable filter and a stylish double-wall tumbler for sipping on the go. This wooden herb stripper knife is not only functional, but also beautifully crafted, with laser-carved engravings of popular herbs like parsley and thyme. Designed with multiple holes, it easily strips stems from a variety of herbs and leafy greens, saving time without compromising safety. Made from sturdy, sustainable wood with an ergonomic grip, it's a perfect blend of charm and practicality for any kitchen and an ideal gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer does it all, from air frying to baking and even dehydrating, making it a true powerhouse on your countertop. With 17 touchscreen presets and rapid air heating, it cooks faster than a traditional oven and uses 98% less oil for healthier meals. Perfect for family-sized portions, its 10-liter capacity and easy view window let you prepare and monitor delicious meals effortlessly, bringing versatility and ease to everyday cooking. The iTouchless 14-gallon automatic sensor trash can brings convenience and cleanliness together with its touchless sliding lid and built-in odor filter that keeps your kitchen smelling fresh. The Wenwell microwave splatter cover is designed to protect your microwave from messy food splashes while keeping moisture locked in for delicious results. Its transparent design lets you monitor water levels, and the built-in sink catches drips, so cleanup is effortless. With a foldable space-saving design and a sturdy integrated handle, this cover is all about making microwave cooking cleaner, easier, and more convenient for every meal. The Everdure Killen S-Series 1-burner gas pizza oven brings the joy of fast, delicious pizza right to your backyard, heating up to an impressive 932 Fahrenheit in just 18 minutes. With its high dome and dual insulation, this gas-powered oven cooks pizzas with a perfect crispy crust in under 2 minutes. Versatile and portable, it's not just for pizza. You can also sear meats, roast veggies, and more, making it the ultimate tool for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The Bella electric griddle with warming tray makes cooking for the whole family easy and fast, with a spacious non-stick surface that fits up to 8 pancakes or eggs at once. With adjustable temperature control, a drip tray for healthier meals, and a warming tray to keep food ready to serve, this griddle covers all the bases. Portable and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for at-home breakfasts, family gatherings, or even on-the-go adventures, making every meal convenient and delicious. The Duck's Top portable induction cooktop offers powerful, efficient cooking on the go, with 20 preset power and temperature levels to handle any recipe. With an 83% energy efficiency rate, this compact cooktop heats quickly, while using less energy than traditional stoves. Featuring a digital LCD touch panel with a child safety lock, fast boil and keep warm buttons, and an automatic shutoff, it's a reliable, user-friendly addition to any kitchen or travel setup. The Easy Egg Cooker makes breakfast a breeze, cooking up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness with just the press of a button. With its pre-marked measuring cup and auto shutoff feature, it's foolproof and faster than boiling eggs on the stovetop. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for any kitchen setup, from dorms to RVs, and even comes with 16 delicious recipes to get you started. The Nano Foamer Lithium Performance Milk Foamer lets you create creamy, cafe-quality microfoamed milk in just 30 seconds, bringing lattes and cappuccinos to the next level. Powered by a USB-C rechargeable lithium battery, it packs 300% more power than standard milk frothers, offering unmatched whisking capabilities and dual-speed control. With its patented nanoscreen technology and IP4 waterproofing for easy cleaning, this versatile gadget is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts who want premium foam with minimal effort.